Today we are learning colors. This is red color.
This is red color.
This is blue color.
This is blue color.
Okay, and this is pink color.
This is pink color.
This is orange color.
This is orange color.
This is white color.
This is white color.
This is purple color.
This is purple color.
Excellent. This is gray color.
This is clay color.
Gray color.
Clay color.
This is green color.
This is green color.
Green color.
Green color.
This is black color.
This is black color.
Black car. Wow.
Black car. Wow.
This is yellow color.
This is yellow color.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Oh, I am also. Look at the pictures. This is red color.
This is red color.
Do you like red color?
Yes.
Red. This is blue color. Do you
This-
like blue color?
Yes.
Why?
But this blue color is so
Nice.
beautiful.
This is pink color.
This-
Pink car.
Pink car.
Yes, pink car.
Pink car.
This is orange car.
This is orange car.
Do you like orange?
No.
Why?
This is dark.
Okay. And next one. This is white color.
This
White
is
car.
White color. White car.
Do you like white color?
Yes.
I am also like it. This is purple color.
This is purple color.
You have a purple dress.
Yeah.
And this is a purple car.
Yeah.
Okay. And next one is which one? Wow, this is gray color.
This is gray color.
Do you like gray color?
You know.
No. But why?
This is you.
No, it's a nice color. This is green color.
This is green color.
Do you like green color?
Yes.
Yes, lips are also green color, and this is the green car. This is black color.
This is a black color.
Do you like black color?
You know.
Why?
But this is
I am a black lover. This is yellow color.
No, this is golden.
Yes, golden, also yellow. Do you like this color?
Yes.
Yes, I'm
Also
also this
golden.
color. Thank you so much, kids, for watching this video. If you like this video,
Yeah.
like,
And
share,
subscribe.
and subscribe, please. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vandu.
Thank you, friend.
Okay.